Hey there, in this video I will show to you how to set up custom and personalizable products in Shopify. So first of all, you will see here I have already created a t-shirt, and this t-shirt will be customizable. I have sizes S, M, L and XL, and what we will require here is a design from the customer. So now what we need here is a custom upload field. And I have the perfect solution for you. Let me show it to you. I will make me a little bit smaller so that you can see how I will set it up. I will open up our app Uploadly. You see I've already created multiple fields because there are various opportunities. So let me first of all click the button Add Upload Field. Now the setup will open up and I have to add a unique field name, for example field 1, like this. And now I have the opportunity to set the button targeting. I can say I just want to show this particular button for this product. So what I will do is I will say show button on, will open the drop down this products, and I will select my t-shirt which I have available. So this one I will click add, and now button targeting is already set it up. Now I also want to have here a little bit an adjustment of the text. Upload your unique design. This is how I will call it. Choose image as fine. Now I will change button appearance a little bit. Let me make it in full width that it look more nice. And maybe what do you think is best color? Let us also make a black button. I think that's cool. Yes, that's how it will look like. Maybe a little bit more padding on the top. A little bit more padding left and right. That's also fine. We can also make it a little bit more round like this. And I would say, do we need anything else? Will I require it? I can also say upload quantity, unlimited files. I will allow image files only because I just want to receive image files. I also want to require the field, so my customers should upload a file, otherwise they cannot add to cart. And what else is required? Yes, I also need circle shape cropping. That's also a cool thing. So yes, let us also allow that, that's fine. And otherwise, everything else is good. I will allow to upload from all sources. Let me save it and create it. Perfect, now it's created. Let us now go back to the product page. I will refresh the page and my button will appear. Very good. So if now the customers will click add to cart, they will see please upload a file first. So I can go choose images, will upload the fish image in this case. It will upload. Now they also have the opportunity to crop it. That's also a great feature. So let us now crop it according to my imagination. Circle shape. I want to have the face of this nice fish here visible. Now it's getting cropped. I can click done and add. And now the circle shape is there, and now I can easily receive these files, can just give it to my print on demand supplier and the t-shirt will be produced.